People ask all the time how a funeral program template is actually made, not how to fill one out, but how the template itself comes together. The first thing to understand is that a funeral program template isn't just a page with a design on it. It's a system. Every panel, every section, and every space is intentional, because this piece has to work in the real world, not just on a screen. When professionals create a funeral program template, we don't start with decoration. We start by thinking about how the program will be used, how it will be held, read, folded, and kept. That decision shapes everything that follows. Before any design choices are made, the content is already anticipated. Names, service details, photos, and verses all have a place before they exist. A good template is built to receive that information without breaking or shifting. Spacing matters more than people realize. What makes a funeral program look calm and professional isn't flashy design. It's balance, consistency, and breathing room. That doesn't happen by accident. It's planned. A true template is also built to be edited. It needs guardrails. It needs structure. It has to allow changes while protecting the overall layout. That's what separates a template from just a file. Anyone can create a document that looks good once. Creating a template that works every time, for every family, is different. That comes from experience, testing, and refinement. That's why professionals don't focus on tools or shortcuts. We focus on understanding how a template behaves from start to finish. At the funeral program site, we've spent years refining funeral program templates so families don't have to think about these details during an already difficult moment. Understanding how a funeral program template is built helps you respect the structure, avoid common frustrations, and get better results from the start. We're also considering creating a paid video course series that walks through the exact process of building a funeral program template from the ground up, whether you want to create templates to sell or simply use for your own projects. If that's something you'd be interested in, let us know by leaving a comment in the link below. Your feedback will help shape what we create next. And if you'd rather not worry about the details at all, the funeral program site offers professionally designed templates with editing support so you can get started today, without recreating the wheel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.